Hi traders, you're welcome to my channel. I am OTJOSH, and in this video I want to take trade based on price analysis and volume. So I just did a call trade now. Yes, I just did a call trade because of this signal. This was the first signal, but the volume was not strong enough, so I waited for the second one, which had a higher volume, and then I took the trade to the upward direction. Why? Because the market condition calls for a call trade from here and a put trade from here. It's as simple as that. So when market comes to any of these edges here, we look for call trade. If it comes back here, we look for put trade. And so I just saw an opportunity to do a call trade, and I did it because I've done my morning section already, so there is no need to go with a big amount. I just went with a $50 trade. So I'll remove this one. This was the previous trade I did before the section started. So now this is it. So the market is coming back down now. I don't really know what's going to happen, but I think maybe a breakout is about to happen. Why? Because of this rejection from the middle Bollinger Band. You see, this rejection from the middle Bollinger Band is causing a breakout. So maybe a breakout is going to happen now. We don't know, or probably a fake breakout, because the whole range of this support level ends here. You can see. So maybe if this candlestick comes down, as you can see, it's reacting now. If it's coming down, you see the reaction. Okay, you see the reaction, and it's happening with a high volume. So I think I am going to trade to the upward direction on this one. Let's wait and see. Okay. Okay, let's wait and see. If we get a good rejection, I'll trade to the upward direction. Otherwise, okay, I'll trade to the upward direction when this candlestick goes lower than this wick. Goes lower. Let's see, goes lower. No, I'll go to the downward direction, because I did not see any form of buyers coming in, any sign that says buyers wants to come into the market. There was no sign like that. It's supposed to come here, go lower, and get a rejection upward, but it did not happen like that. So I went with sellers. It's counterintuitive, but this is what is going to happen. As you can see, you see now that the breakout is happening. So we'll wait and see how this goes. Okay, it happened. So let's wait for the next trade. So as you can see, when there is a breakout like this, you expect the Bollinger Band to to open, but now it's not really wide. Only this one is wide. So I think this is like a fake breakout of this level. So I'm going to, let's see. I'll wait. Okay, I'll wait. When you trade like this, you don't need to trade up to 5 or 10 trade. 2 trade is enough, 3 trade is enough for you to make profit. You understand that it's a whole week you have, a whole month you have. For me though, I am done with my trading for this week. Sorry, for this day, for today. So I don't really need to have to make so much money again. This video is done only for the sake of my YouTube subscribers. Okay, so now we can see that this is kind of a good breakout, and if I get a rejection from, yes, I did a trade because I saw the rejection. So in other words, when you're trading like this, we need full concentration. Now I did this put trade here because after this breakout, you see this wick getting rejected from this 2 deviation Bollinger Band. Can you see it? It's getting rejected from it. Now when the next candle open, which is this green candle, now I still saw the same rejection from the 2 deviation Bollinger Band. Why am I saying this? Because in trading, what happened in the past, which is this rejection, tends to happen again, which is this rejection. Can you see what I'm trying to say? It has happened in the past before, and now it's tending to happen again. So if you can concentrate like this and use market information and market principles, where you'll find out that most of your trade will be in the money and your confidence level is going to increase. Where this is a loss, let's see. Okay, it's not a loss. We got that in the money as well. So I'll be explaining these trades to you. But before I go, there is something about concentration I would want you to know. I normally don't trade showing my account balance, but I decided I should show it because of some comments I've been getting. But no problem. This account balance, I don't show it because of you guys here at YouTube, because when you see this account balance, you no longer concentrate here, you concentrate here, and it's bad for your psychology. But one thing that is worse for your trading, for those of you who trade, is this the leaderboard. Please try as much as possible. For those of you trading in real account, don't pay attention to it because it puts you in a competitive mode. Now, if you go to the leaderboard, you are going, okay, this is my account. You are one of the best traders. Okay, worldwide for this week. Now, worldwide, I am number two for now. As you can see it here, number two, Nigeria. I don't know these other flags. Okay, and in your country, you can, if I'm number two, then I should be number one in my country. Now, what I'm trying to say is very simple. When I see this worldwide and I see number one has made 7,000, I can be in that competitive mode and I will want to chase. And by so doing, I'll start focusing on making money instead of following a strategy. When you come to the market, you are not coming here to make money. You come here to follow a plan, a strategy. So this is what I really want to say. If this is your first time here, please do well to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. If you've not, you better get the ebook because it's going to transform your trading. You can get it at the link in my description. If you want it, you contact me. You have support and resistance, you have market conditions, volume and price analysis, and some simple trading setup that you can use. So let's go back so that I explain quickly why I took these trades from the beginning. So from the beginning, I told you about this. I told you about this. This is a trading range. You sell here, you sell here, you buy here, you buy here. But for you to do that, you need confirmation. So what is the confirmation at this point? The confirmation at this point is this. This is where we buy. But when I saw this candle, you see how the volume is weak compared to the previous candlestick. So I didn't buy. I had to wait for this one where the volume is higher than the previous one, and then I bought here. When I bought here, I saw this rejection. I saw this rejection. Now, this rejection signals what? Selling pressure. Now, buyers, the market came down and got rejected from here, but it could not change to green. So this is confirming again, once again, the selling pressure. But I still want to go with buyers because there is a level here. But when price came here, it stopped. There was no significant movement. I said, oh, and I think the market is going to continue going down. So I did the put trade and I got that in the morning. And the third one, the same thing. After this trade I did, I waited to see a new signal and I saw the downwards rejecting from this Bollinger Band. So when I saw it rejecting from the two deviation Bollinger Band, like I said before, there are some principles that we can easily follow in the market. Price Past price action can sometimes predict future direction. And since I now know from this candle that the future price is going down, when I saw this rejection, all I had to do was to wait for the next rejection and I did a put trade. So that will be all for today. For instance, now we see this breakout of this level. We see this breakout from this level and we see this price rejection from here. Look closely, there is a price rejection from the two deviation Bollinger Band, and now there is another price rejection from it coupled with a round number. So you can do this trade would have been a good word put. Now these two candles is signaling something. How come this candlestick weak and this is even more weaker than it and volume is increasing? It shows that there is a reversal going to occur here. So you can see now that the reversal is coming up and this may just be a retracement and then a continuation. So this is how we really do this. Remember what I told you about your account balance, what I told you about your the leaderboard, and how you can protect your own psychology while you trade. So until next time, please do it to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Stay safe and happy trading.